Welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today we are going to show you how to install HyperV on Windows 10 in a simple and clear way. This video will guide you through enabling HyperV so you can start running virtual machines on your PC. Step 1. Click on the search box on the taskbar, which is located at the bottom left corner of your Windows 10 screen. This search box helps you quickly find system tools and settings without navigating through multiple menus. Step 2. Type Turn Windows Features on or off and click on it from the search results. This option opens the Windows Features window, where you can enable or disable built-in components provided by Windows. Step 3. Once the Windows Features window opens, look for HyperV and click to expand it. Expanding HyperV allows you to see the available options that are required to run virtual machines properly. Step 4. Check the box for HyperV platform to enable the core virtualization technology. This feature is essential because it allows Windows 10 to create and manage virtual machines using HyperV. Step 5. Click the OK button at the bottom of the window to confirm your changes. Windows will now begin applying the settings you selected and prepare the required system files. Step 6. Wait while Windows installs the required components in the background. This process may take a few minutes depending on your system speed, so be patient and let it finish. Step 7. When prompted, click Restart Now to complete the installation. Restarting is important because it allows Windows 10 to fully activate HyperV and make it ready for use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.